Vanakkam. Today we remember Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the greatest visionary, populist president of India, the great motivator and inspirator of younger minds. Dr. Kalam rose from very poor background to achieve the highest status in India, that is President of India. Subsequently, he also got the highest civilian award of the country, Bharat Ratna. Starting his career at DRDO initially, later Dr. Kalam joined ISRO, and in ISRO he achieved many successes. Notable are launch of satellite launch vehicle 3, that is called shortly they call SLV 3, which showed his great leadership to coordinate with the scientists and deliver the greatest achievement of a launch vehicle within a year of 2 years initially for a failure, and subsequently third year became a great success. It is remarkable to note that his failure in 2 years he has converted a success in the next 1 year itself, and it became a jubilant event for the whole country because we became self-reliant in launching the satellite vehicles. Subsequently, at DRDO, he spearheaded a major strategic program called Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It led to the development of critical missile technologies and made the country self-reliant in the missile technology domain. The program became a huge success, and out of the program born very many leaders who subsequently spearheaded DRDO. After the IGMT program development, he became the number one in DRDO, namely scientific advisor to Raksha Mandri, also secretary to DDR&D, that is Department of Defense Research and Development, and where he donned and launched many strategic programs successfully. He could motivate the entire DRDO into development of many successful projects and programs. And later he became the principal scientific advisor to Prime Minister a short while, and then he was elected as the 11th President of India. And you are aware that during this entire career, starting from DRDO, ISRO, again DRDO, he has ensured that the India becomes strongest in terms of defense technologies. Dr. Kalam is known as the missile man of India. He is also known as the father of nuclear bombs in India. And such a great technologist lived a very simple, humble, and he moved with the people like anything. In fact, if you know, post-presidentship, he was giving a lot of lectures, interactions with college students and school students. He loved them the most. He fixed a target of interacting with 1 lakh student minds in his career, and he has achieved that. And this interaction with students are quite noteworthy because he has delivered a spellbound lecture to the students, and also his interactive sessions by question and answers is quite remarkable, and everybody loved to attend his lecture, and whoever attended the lecture became the inspired students who can lead the country in the subsequent years. Such is the mesmerizing talk he could deliver. He could modify everybody into the leaders of the future. He has written many books for the country which became very popular. Few are Wings of Fire, India 2020, where he laid the vision for 2020 so that India can become developed nation by year 2020. He has identified 6 areas where India should focus for this purpose. He also wrote a book called Ignited Minds for igniting the minds of younger lords. Indomitable Spirit is another book is noteworthy. As I said, he is simple, living motivator, great inspirator, and everybody became a follower of the things. He is a strong believer of the word, strength, respect, strength, and he wanted to make the defense technology in the country to greater heights so that India will become stronger and everybody, other nations will respect India in terms of strength. In the way of doing that, he laid the greatest foundation of self-reliance in the defense technologies, which we are seeing much progress today. His speeches, United Nations, again, is spellbound, received a spellbound manner, and received many accolades and excellent standing ovation. I would like to recall few success mantras which Dr. Kalam has laid down to the students or young minds. He advised us to work with courage, courage to reach the impossible, to achieve the impossible, courage to travel the untraveled path so that you become a unique person who achieve that area. He advised us to be unique and be you. Don't change your personality, but in your own personal area, in your way, you achieve your heights, greater heights. Culture of excellence. He advised everybody should build the culture of excellence on their own, and thereby enhance the country's reach to the beyond limits. And he also said leader must be an explorer, explore the area where it can be where the students can explore the untraveled path, new domains, new areas, new technologies, and so on. He advised that students should have a greater knowledge with a focus on creativity, righteousness, and courage to do better things for the country. He wanted us to think out of box, because out of box is the way in which we can do wonderful things. You have creative ideas and you can do different technologies, different systems, and so on. He also advised, with his story of SLV3 program, he advised how to manage the failures, because everybody will have a failure as part of their career, and then he wanted us to make the failure as a stepping stone for the success, stepping stone of a greater success. Today, again, let us pledge to make the vision of Dr. Kalam of making India a developed nation, become a highly self-reliant in the defense technology and the other related allied technologies as a greatest task, and let us achieve him, and by achieving his visions, and let us contribute our best to the Dr. Kalam's Remembrance Day. Jai Hind.